In a small village in ancient England, there lived a wise blacksmith named Cedric and his equally clever wife, Elfleda. Their home and forge sat at the village center, where the sound of Cedric's hammer rang out daily. Cedric was known for his skill in metalwork, while Elfleda had a gift for healing with herbs. Together, they made a formidable pair, always ready to help their neighbors. One autumn, a strange illness swept through the village. People fell ill with fever and weakness, unable to tend their fields or care for their animals. Fear gripped the village as more and more people sickened. The village elder came to Cedric and Elfleda.
"What can we do?"
he asked, worry etched on his face.
"If this continues, we won't survive the winter."
Cedric furrowed his brow in thought.
"We must not panic,"
he said calmly.
"Panic will only make things worse."
Elfleda nodded in agreement.
"Let us approach this problem step by step,"
she added. First, Elfleda gathered all the healers in the village. She taught them about the herbs that could help fight the fever and boost strength.
"We must work together. Share your knowledge and your remedies,"
she said. Meanwhile, Cedric organized the healthy villagers.
"Those who are well must care for the sick and their families,"
he declared. He created a schedule so that every ill person had someone to check on them, bring them food, and tend to their needs. But Cedric knew they needed to do more. He called upon the children of the village.
"You are strong and less likely to fall ill. We need your help to harvest the crops and care for the animals,"
he told them. The children, eager to help, took on these tasks with enthusiasm. Under the guidance of the few healthy adults, they brought in the harvest and made sure no animals went unfed. As the days passed, Elfleda noticed that those who drank from the village well seemed to recover faster. She and Cedric investigated and discovered that the well water contained minerals that helped fight the illness. Cedric used his skills to create simple pumps, making it easier for everyone to access the healing water. Elfleda organized teams to deliver the water to those too weak to fetch it themselves. Slowly but surely, the village began to recover. As people regained their strength, they joined in the efforts to care for others and prepare for winter. By the time the first snow fell, the village had overcome the illness. The harvest was stored, the animals were tended, and every family had what they needed to face the cold months ahead. Word of Cedric and Elfleda's leadership spread throughout the region. Other villages sought their advice on how to handle sickness and hard times. The couple traveled to share their wisdom, teaching others the importance of working together, using local resources wisely, and caring for one another in times of need. Years later, when Cedric and Elfleda were old and gray, the village held a great celebration in their honor. As they looked out at their healthy, thriving community, they knew their greatest legacy was not the things they had made or the cures they had discovered, but the spirit of cooperation and care they had fostered. And so, the tale of the wise blacksmith and his healing wife became a cherished story throughout England, reminding people for generations that with wisdom, compassion, and unity, any challenge could be overcome.